Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be installing the missing brake hardware for this 2010 Ford Mustang. Now, the symptoms I was having is I was having a high-pitched squeal whenever I was braking. Originally, I thought I needed new brake pads, but upon pre-inspection, I found out that the metal thin plate that the ears of the brake pads are resting on is missing. So now whenever I brake, the brakes are not contacting the rotors evenly, causing it to squeal. To be able to explain it to you better, let's remove the brake so I can show you where it is missing. Let's start by removing the brake piston. The brake piston is held up by two 12mm bolts, so use a 12mm socket to remove them. Now take out the brake piston and put it on the side, but don't let it rest on the brake hose. Now take out the brake pads. I don't know if you can see it well, but this is where the missing accessory is. See, on the other side there's the metal plate, while this one doesn't have it. And because of that, when the brakes are pressed, it doesn't evenly contact the rotors, causing it to make a brake squeal. Luckily, I was able to buy the accessories online at AutoZone. So if you need this, you can buy it from AutoZone. Or maybe they have it at your local auto shop. The thin metal slides are side specific, so you need to figure out which slide you need for that side. Luckily, I was able to figure out which slide I need for this side. Now let's put back the brake pads and the brake piston. Make sure that the thin slider is still there. Now, before putting back the bolts, make sure you put some thread locker to help keep the bolts in place. That's a little too much. Start by hand tightening them first to prevent from cross-threading. Torque the bolts to 25 foot-pounds. And that is how to install one of the missing front brake hardwares for this 2010 Ford Mustang. Again, I was able to buy this on AutoZone online, so if you need a kit, you can find it there. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.